Welcome friends, please remember on this channel I will post more advanced math videos. Today we're going to do a formula for integration using midpoints. So let's begin with a picture like this. So this is our usual. Okay, imagine a rectangle in here, representative, say under some curve. And then call this A, so you're going to begin at A. Now, this of course is called delta x, so usual width. That means this, since this is A right here, then half of it, in other words, this part right here, right? That would be like delta x divided by 2, this piece, which means that whatever this is, that would be equal to a plus delta x divided by 2. Maybe call this like x sub 0, something like that, okay? Anyway, imagine after that another rectangle. So say like a rectangle like this, more or less the same. Now think about this for a second. So this is a half, this is going to be another half. In other words, delta x divided by 2. So this would be another delta x divided by 2. So this would be like 1, 2, and this would be the third one here. So that means this right here, if you were to label it, that would be whatever, we'll call it x1 for now. That would be a plus 3 delta x divided by 2. Because there are 1, 2, 3 of them, delta x divided by 2, right? You're counting by these pieces right here. Same thing over here. This is like one of them. So now this is suggestive of a pattern that we can apply. In other words, this is what I mean. We can say x sub, for example, 0, as we know, is already a plus 1 delta x over 2. But now remember that delta x is defined as a plus, and then just put that as b minus a over n, but then you take a half of it this way. So then what's x1 here? Well, that would be a plus, and you see that it's equal to 3 delta x over 2. But again, it's a plus 3, so this is b minus a over n, but then there's a 2 from here, so it's 2n this way. So in general, you could have something of the form x sub k, and then this would be equal to a plus, and notice this is an odd number. This is a one, odd number, odd number. So you're going to have 2k plus 1, for example, and then multiplying that b minus a over the 2n, right? From here, the 2 to the n. Same thing, this would be like 3 over 2n for that reason. So that means what you could do is, for the area, using midpoints like this, you can reason by saying it's going to be the limit that says n is going to a positive infinity of the summation, say from k equals, say, 0, and put the n up here, so n is going to go towards positive infinity. And you take f and then evaluate at each of these. So a plus 2k plus 1 times b minus a over 2n. So evaluate at each of those. But then remember, you have to multiply by each delta x, which is again b minus a over, say, n this way. And using this, you can find the exact area by letting n go towards positive infinity. If you like math videos at this more advanced abstract level, please be sure to subscribe and like. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.